Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with another video for Hero Arts. Today I'll be featuring some of the gorgeous add-ons for April's My Monthly Hero Kit and showing how to easily reverse images with your die cuts. So let's get started. First, I blended a background onto Strathmore Bristol cardstock using a variety of my favorite Hero Arts inks. I used Soft Cantaloupe Shadow Ink, Fruit Punch Reactive Ink, Crimson Hybrid Ink, and Mulled Wine Hybrid Ink. I love that you can mix and match the different types of Hero Arts inks to get the colors you want, and they all blend together beautifully. After I was happy with the blend, I set that aside to dry while I worked on the rest of the card elements. Next, I die cut the Nature Border Fancy Die using Pitch Black Hero Hues cardstock. Then I took a piece of Welsh Gold glitter cardstock, turned it around, and die cut the same die from the white side of the cardstock. Then when I flipped the glitter cardstock over, I had a mirror image of the black cardstock that could be easily layered together to create my scene. I decided to stick with silhouettes, so instead of stamping all the layers of the color layering Joey, I just used the detail outline of the die to die cut the kangaroo twice with pitch black cardstock. I flipped one over and used my bone folder to smooth out the edges so it would look just like the correct side. Next, I stamped a sentiment from color layering Joey onto my blended panel with VersaFine and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. You'll notice that my panel isn't quite in the corner of my Misty, and that's because I trimmed it to be slightly smaller than an A2 panel, so there wouldn't be any chance of it showing behind the frame. So when I lined up all my elements on my Misty to decide where the sentiment would go, that panel needed to be slightly off the edge. Next, I adhered the gold glitter layer to the black layer using a mixture of ATG adhesive and Hero Arts precision glue. Then I adhered the blended panel to the Nature Border frames. Finally, I used foam mounting tape to add my kangaroo couple to the front of the card. I love all the layers and how they work together to create a beautiful sunset silhouette scene. And that's it! You can find more information on the products over on my blog, and there's a link in the YouTube description below. Don't forget to comment for a chance to win a $50 shopping spree to Hero Arts. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fabulous day and happy crafting. Bye!